Howdy folks, this is Farmer Bruce back out in the yard picking some more raspberries. And so here's my fill for today. It's a whole bunch of raspberries. And so I'll give it 3 or 4 more days and let some more ripen. And I think I'm going to pull this from here. I think it's ready. Let's see. Yeah, it was ready. You always can tell when they're ready when they pull right off the little cone. So this is one that we just pulled off. And then here is one that is still ripening. And so there you go. Just touching base. I really am blessed with the amount of bees that, and they've been really day and night at my crop, pollinating the raspberries, and they're really doing a good job. Though I'm not doing too good of a job with this netting. I'm pulling off potential raspberries accidentally, because this netting is so flimsy and it get all stuck inside, and it's really problematic. But it does help deter the birds. And but I guess the trick is if I can get the netting off while they're growing, then it might help. But they look just so smothered under the netting. But the bees are still pollinating, and so I'm getting this nice crop out of it. And I'll go ahead and throw these in the freezer, in the fridge. And as you can see here, I'm about to do some grilling also. It's today is Labor Day, and I'm about ready to throw some hot dogs on the grill. And I don't think I have too much propane left in this tank, so I better utilize what I have with these hot dogs here. Here's my apprentice over here. No, not celebrity apprentice. She's no celebrity. She's just my secretary apprentice. And so here you have it. This is Farmer Bruce, 2014, out here in the garden, just picking some more raspberries. Thanks a